Hi, Richie Powell here with Dent Group, here with Gene Wilson. Customers always ask how to get an estimate. We're open Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. All you need to do is drive in. Once your vehicle is in here, we do proper estimating here, okay? We use a light to see the damage. That's what this light here is. Your damage is right here. You're only looking at about an inch size dent, okay? Just your average door ding. So once we bring the vehicle in, put the light up to it, we can really see the damage, and then all of our estimating is done on a professional software. Okay, so we're going to demonstrate how we go through the estimating process on this software, and once we're done, we can email that directly to you as well as give you a printout. We've got it mirrored here up on the screen just so you can see a little bit better. Kind of walk you through this. So we go through all the sections here. We've got your VIN number, your vehicle, we've got your price right here, okay? We're looking at just a 1-inch shallow dent. You're looking at $150. Now, every dent is different, every vehicle is different. The prices do vary, okay? So, minimum we typically charge is around $150. That covers your first average, quarter-size dent. So then, once we're done with the estimate, just give you a little preview of what it'll look like. Your vehicle information, your name, price, damage, where the dent is. Pretty straightforward. Once we're done with this estimate, we will email it directly to you, give you a printout as well, and thanks for watching.